In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to a subreddit post. Whether you're sharing a meme, a screenshot, or a photo you've taken, adding an image to your post is a great way to get more attention and engagement on Reddit. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the full process, step by step, so you know exactly what to click and what to look out for as you go. First, open Reddit in your browser or in the Reddit app and make sure you're logged into your account. Then, navigate to the subreddit where you want to post your image. It's important to do this before you create the post, because every subreddit can have its own rules about image posts, so take a quick moment to glance at the community rules if you're unsure. Once you're on the subreddit's main page, look for the button or link that says Create Post. This is usually located near the top of the page. Go ahead and click on Create Post. This will open the post creation window, where you can choose what type of content you want to share. Inside this window, you'll see different options such as text, image, link, or other post types depending on the subreddit settings. To add an image, click on the option labeled Image. Selecting this will switch the post editor into image mode, which is designed specifically for uploading and displaying pictures. After you click on Image, follow the on-screen prompts that appear. Reddit will usually ask you to upload an image from your device, drag and drop a file, or sometimes select one from your recent uploads if you've posted images before. Choose the image file you want to use and wait for it to upload. A preview should appear so you can confirm that it looks correct. Next, add a clear and descriptive title to your post. The title helps other users understand what your image is about and can make your post more likely to be clicked and upvoted. If the subreddit has any specific formatting or tag requirements, make sure to include those in your title or flare selection. Before you publish, double check everything: the subreddit, the image preview, and your title. When you're happy with how it looks, click the button to post it. Your image post will be submitted to the subreddit and should appear in the feed within a few moments.